Hi guys, it's me Luigi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for this video, we'll have a reaction video for the boy next door again. Yes, I'm excited for this. Adios, adios. Na na na. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be updated by every upload. So this is the what do you call this? Watch together. So my voice is Wunak. So let's go have a reaction video because I'm so excited for this. So Zoe is here and let's go a faster because. Woo! Oh my god! Kurashi cake. Wow, action star. She said, "Don't go be tonight." Oh yeah, this is the music video so colorful because the dog like black and white, right? Black and white music video. So this is a colorful music video. Adios. Guys, kami na Sir Bias in Boy Next Door. Yung J. Yeah, right? Wuna. Boses to ni Jay yun, right? Right? No. Yeah, the vocal. But I'm so sad guys because Boy Next Door concert wala sa list nila ang Manila. Oh my god. Rebu. What's that? Ano ba yan? Olympics yun. By the way guys, pupunta ko ng Ahok. So gagawin ko ng vlogs. A day in my life vlogs. Stay with me. Tesan. Tesan is so foggy. Oh my god, this sleeveless man. Hoy, hello. Hello. You're so insane. You Ang cute, right? Grabe. I love the ano ano ba? May dance ano ba to? Kasi gusto ko siyang i-review. Ang cute talaga, oh. By the way, I think I am the vlogger that have a cheap reaction video like the setup. Guys, I'm so sorry if this is my setup. I don't have budget for good camera and monitor. So I'm using my iPad, also in my TikTok content. Grabe talaga yung mga music doon. So this is best album of the year. Wow! Baka madaming nagtatanong, bakit hindi ka gumawa ng music video sa Alpha Drive 1, guys? I'm sorry, I forgot. And nakakahirapan pag in-upload ko because super late na. Ilang weeks na din nakalipas. Cute nung smile. Gusto ko din yung concept photo na naka-brace si Ryu. Ba't yung hair ko ganito? I don't know, but Boy Next Door makes me happy. Alam mo, hindi ako nagsasawa sa Boy Next Door talaga. Kahit anong comeback nila, kahit anong music, grabe yung hatak nila sa akin. Wow! Oh, so that's enough for video, guys. Oh my god. So, that's enough for video. So, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be updated. My bye, guys. Love you all. Mwah.
좋아 날 뛰고픈 밤